Man United! Glory, glory, Man United!
Glory, glory, Man United, as the Reds go marching on.
Hello guys, it's me, Maverick Lee. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something super cool for you. I have the unseen, unreleased Manchester United 2024-2025 football shirt. Check this out. So guys, what do you think of this? I'm going to take a spin just for you. What do you think of this? The brand new Manchester United 2024-2025 home shirt. If you are asking me, I really like it. It gives me similar vibes to the Manchester United 2002 to 2004 home shirt, back when they had the likes of Ruud van Nistelrooy, Ryan Giggs, David Beckham. I just really think it looks iconic, it looks stylish, it looks retro, it looks bespoke, which means it's gonna last for a long time and always look good. We went for the long sleeves, as you can see. The long sleeves cost a little bit more money. It gives you the option, so if you're feeling a bit chilly, you can have them down, or if you're feeling a little bit hot, or you want to mix it up a bit and show off your watch, you can just bring up the sleeves as so. And another little tip that I would recommend you to do if you are wanting to go for a name and a number, I would just stick to the likes of a number. Why? Because a number is going to last you forever, especially if it's like an iconic number, like the number 7 or 10 or 11 or something. As you know, football players these days swap football teams like it means absolutely nothing to them, because let's face it, it doesn't, does it? I would stick with just a number if you're going to go for that. I just think it's a little bit odd sometimes if you're going to have a fully grown man's name on your back, but each to our own, each to our own. I totally understand if it's the kids, the youngsters, because I was once in that position. I understand as a kid, they have these idols. And I know most football shirts nowadays are getting lighter and lighter, and usually they dry fit, but this one feels even lighter than the majority of other shirts I've worn before. So that's definitely a good thing. Depending where you are in the world, if you're in America, Adidas, if you're in the UK, Adidas, I don't know, whatever you say, these are the 3 iconic stripes running all the way down the sleeve, as you can see. Nice, simple. I prefer it because it hasn't got that ugly flapping colour. I didn't like those colours, and I think even the sponsor looks good. This sponsor kind of reminds me of the Vodafone sponsor. What do you think? I don't know if it's the typeface or what, but yeah, that looks good. And I'm liking the new Adidas logo without the actual Adidas text. I think this looks much better too, obviously because it's more minimal. And there is the famous club's badge with so much history, so much culture. Well, that's it. That's all from me, Maverick Lee. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below. Why? Because as you are probably aware of, nowadays it's all AI and algorithms, and by me getting your like, that really encourages me to keep making more videos just like this for you all. If you like product reviews, then check out my channel because my channel is the one for you. If you are a Manchester United or football fan or soccer, then you should check out my earlier video, which is, by the way, little warning for you, controversial. Why? Because my video is titled Sir Alex Ferguson Destroyed Manchester United. Yes, you heard that right. Check out my video. Before you judge me, check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on the video. See you there. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel.